Hello, my dear kids. Sai Ram. How are you? Good. Did you all enjoy your online exams? Yes. Perhaps it was an overall new experience for you all, isn't it? Yes. Now, let us dive to our next session. As we have finished with our online exams, now we will start with our next session. Today onwards, I am going to repeat all the grammar chapters which we have done so far. Yes, I am going to repeat all the grammar chapters. Okay. Now, before starting that, I will show you one slide and you have to give me the answer. Okay. In that slide, one definition will be there. Okay. Now, I am going to show you one definition. You have to give me the answer. Okay, that which lesson it is. Okay, now let's see the definition. A group of words when put together. A group of words when put together and placed in a proper order, they make a complete sense. They make a complete sense. It is known as, yes, who can give me the answer? Yes, very good. It is known as sentence. It is known as sentence. Now we will repeat the definition once again. A group of words when put together and placed in a proper order, they make a complete sense. It is known as sentence. Yes, it was our first chapter which we have done, isn't it? So we will start with the same chapter, that is sentence. In your book, it is chapter number 10. In your book, it is chapter number 10, the sentence. I will tell you the page number also. Okay. I will tell you the page number also. Page number 43. Page number 43. You remove that lesson. Okay. If you want, you can see page number 43 is also given. So remove that chapter. Take pencil, eraser and be ready. Okay, today we are going to write in the book. So before writing, I will show you some examples. We will start with some examples and then we will do the activity which is given below the lessons. First we will see some examples and then we will do the activity which is given below the lessons. Okay. See. Let us see some examples now. Is boy a he? Is boy a he? So here you can see these group of words does not make any sense. So we will arrange these words properly and we will make a proper sentence. He is a boy. He is a boy. Here you can see I have written H capital. What I have written? Capital H. Always you will start the sentence with a capital letter. Always you will start the sentence with a capital letter. So H I have written capital. He is a boy. After writing boy, I have put a full stop. After writing boy, I have put a full stop. So you have to write like this, okay? You have to arrange the words properly and then you have to make a complete sentence. The next example. Park the went to I. Park the went to I. Here again, this word does not make any sense. So we will arrange the words properly. And the answer is I went to the park. I went to the park. Again here you can see I is capital. I is capital. And after writing I have put full stop. Once I have completed my sentence, what I have put? Full stop. So you have to keep it in mind. Always you will remember this. First letter capital and after writing full stop. Okay. Now let us see the third one. Milk white the is. Milk white the is. And the answer is the milk is white. The milk is white. So here you can see first letter T is capital and after writing the sentence I have put full stop. Now the fourth one. Is blue the sky is. Is blue the sky is. Do we say like this? No. It does not make any sense. We are not able to understand exactly what it is. Okay, so we have to arrange it and the answer is, after arranging, the answer is the sky is blue. The sky is blue. Isn't it? You have seen the sky now? What is the color of the sky? Yes, blue. So here you can see T again capital and after writing the sentence I have put full stop. Now let us see the activities now. Okay, are you all ready with your pencil and eraser? Okay, remove your pencil and eraser, remove page number 43 and you can see the sub-question A. Okay, in page number 43 you can see sub-question A. Here I will read the heading first. Put these jumbled words together to make a sentence. Put these jumbled words together to make a sentence. Okay, in that the first question is, there on is top grass the. There on is top grass the. Here you can see they have written first letter capital and after writing they have put a full stop. After writing the sentence they have put a full stop. But the sentence does not have any sense. You can see the words does not have any sense. So we have to make a complete proper sentence by arranging it properly. And the answer is, there is grass on the top. There is grass on the top. Here you can see first letter T capital and after writing again I have put the full stop. So children, you have to write simultaneously with me. When I am reading, you will start writing over there. Okay? There is grass on the top. I hope you all are writing the answers. Okay? Now, the second one. There cows two in our field the. There cows two in our field the. Again here it does not make any sense. So what will be the answer? There are two cows in the field. There are two cows in the field. Here you can see T capital and after writing the sentence I have put full stop. Okay children, you have to write. Children, are you all writing? Yes, right. I am waiting for you. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes for both the answers and then we will go to the next question. I hope you all have written. Now we will go to the next one. There book on table the is a. There book on table the is a. Okay. Now the answer is, there is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Here the first letter I have written capital T I have written capital T. After completing the sentence, I have put a full stop. After completing the sentence, I have put a full stop. Okay? You can write, there is a book on the table. Now the next one, fourth one. Jumps cage in parrot the out and of the. Jumps cage in parrot the out and of the. And the answer is, the parrot jumps in and out of the cage. The parrot jumps in and out of the cage. So here again you can see the is capital. The is capital. And after writing the sentence, I have put a full stop. I have put a full stop. Okay, children? Are you all writing? Yes, right. I am waiting for you. Okay? Now after this, our last sentence of sub-question A. Okay? Last sentence of sub-question A. Roomy doll with a place. Roomy doll with a place. And the answer is, Roomy plays with a doll. Roomy plays with a doll. Here R is capital. R is capital. And after writing the sentence, I have put a full stop. After writing the sentence, I have put a full stop. So here we have finished our sub-question A. Okay? Have you all written? I finished our sub-question A. Now we will go to the next question, that is sub-question B. That is sub-question B. Okay? Use the help box to identify the pictures and rewrite the sentence. Okay, you have to use the help box. What is the help box? Yes, who can tell me what is the help box? Yes, this is the help box. This is the help box. Okay, that is the help box. You can see here what is written there, help box. So it is going to help us to make a sentence. That help box is going to help us to make a sentence. You can see there some words are given, isn't it? There are some words given in the help box. First we will read the words. Okay, first one is ball, second is elephant, third is eggs, fourth is students, fifth is hen, sixth is teacher, seventh is blackboard, eighth is tree, ninth is headmaster. Okay, I will repeat all the words again. Boy, elephant, eggs, students, hen, teacher, blackboard, tree and headmaster. So all these words we are going to choose one by one to complete the sentence. Okay, to complete the sentence. See, first one, what is given there? You can see the image of a, who is he? Yes, he is a boy. He is a boy. So what we are supposed to do is, we will choose this boy. Okay, we will choose the boy. And what is the word given next? climbs the, what is the picture given that? Yes, it is the picture of a tree. It is a picture of a tree. So here we have choose boy and tree from the help box. Here we have choose boy and tree from the help box. And we have to make a sentence. Now after choosing what we are supposed to do, we have to rewrite the sentence. We have to choose that words and we will write down. So how we are going to write? See here. The boy climbs the tree. Okay. The boy climbs the tree. Okay children. Here you can see T capital and then the picture, boy's picture, there we have written boy. Okay. Here they have given the picture of a boy, but we have written the boy word. Okay. Then climbs the, again the picture of a tree is given. So we have written the tree. So here we have completed the sentence. The boy climbs the tree. After writing, we will put a full stop. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. We will go to the next question. Children, see here again I have shown you the help box here. Okay. The same words are given in the help box. That is boy, elephant, eggs, students, hen, teacher, blackboard, tree and headmaster. Okay. Here we can do one thing. Okay. We have already done with boy. We have already done with boy. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the boy and tree. It is already over. Okay. So we are not going to choose it again. We are not going to choose both the words again. It is already over. Okay. Now second, what is given there? The and image of an elephant. They have given the image of an elephant. So here what you are supposed to write is, you will write elephant. What you will write? Elephant. The elephant is a huge animal. What you are going to write? The elephant is a huge animal. Okay, see the answer. The elephant is a huge animal. Okay, here you can see T capital, and after writing the sentence I have put a full stop. After writing the sentence I have put a full stop. Okay, now we have done with boy, we have done with elephant, we have done with tree. So now we are not going to choose these words. It is already over. It is already over. Okay, now we are going to choose the remaining words. Okay, we will choose the remaining words and we will make a sentence. Okay, here what you can see, the picture of a students. Yes, the picture of a students. So we will select students. We will select students. What you are supposed to write? The students listen to the, again some images given there. Who can tell me what image it is? Yes, it is the image of a headmaster. It is the image of a headmaster. So here we have selected students and headmaster. Here we have selected students and headmaster. Now what you are supposed to do? We have to rewrite the sentence. After selecting, we will write the sentence. Okay. Now the sentence will be, the students listen to the headmaster. The students listen to the headmaster. Okay. Here first letter capital, and after writing the sentence full stop. The students listen to the headmaster. So here we have finished second and third. We will go to the next question. Okay, again here I have shown the help box. Okay, again I have shown the help box. Now you will tell me which are words we have finished. We have finished boy, we have finished elephant, we have finished students, we have finished with tree, and we have finished with headmaster. Okay, now we are not going to select these words now. Okay, it is already over. Now fourth one. Can you tell me who it is? Yes, it is a teacher. So we are going to select teacher. She is a teacher. So the teacher writes on the, yes, who will tell me? Blackboard, right. It is a picture of a blackboard. It is a picture of a blackboard. So after selecting, you will write like this. Okay, you will write the teacher writes on the blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. Okay, now the last one. We have done with boy, elephant, students, teacher, blackboard, tree, and headmaster. Now you can see only two words are left. Only two words are left. That is eggs and hen. And here you can see the picture of a hen and a eggs, isn't it? So now we are going to choose eggs and hen, and we are going to make a sentence. We are going to make a sentence. So what you are supposed to write? A hen lays eggs. A hen lays eggs. Okay, here a is capital, and after writing you have to put a full stop. Okay children, so here we have finished with our sub question B. Here we have finished with our sub question B. Now we will go to our next sub question, that is C. Okay, sub question C. Here what is given? Join the pairs of words in column A and column B. Okay, we have to join column A and column B to make sensible sentence. To make sensible sentence. Okay, now in column A you can see first word is Maya. In column A you can see first word is Maya, and the second one is the police. The second one is the police. And here B, in column B you can see the first one is catches the thief. Catches the thief. And the second one, eats a banana for lunch. Eats a banana for lunch. Now what you are supposed to do is you have to match from A to B. Okay, so Maya catches a thief or eats a banana for lunch. What will be the proper sensible sentence? Yes, the first is Maya eats a banana for lunch. The proper sensible sentence is Maya eats a banana for lunch. Okay, you have to write that down. Okay, below you can see 4 lines are given. You have to write there. Okay, first one is Maya eats a banana for lunch. Here M is capital, and after writing the sentence I have put a full stop. After writing the sentence, I have put a full stop. Okay. Now, the next one, the police. The police catches the thief. The police catches the thief. What we have done, children? We have joined the pairs from column A to column B. Okay, Maya eats a banana for lunch. Okay, I'll just show for your reference what we have done. Maya eats a banana for lunch and police catches the thief. You are not supposed to match. Okay, you are not supposed to match. You are not supposed to draw the line. This I have just shown for your reference. Okay, you are not supposed to draw the lines. You have to just write there. Below you can see 4 lines are given. You are supposed to write on that lines. Okay. Now the next one. The kitten. In column A, it is given the kitten, and in column B, it is given rains very heavily. Column B, it is given rains very heavily. Again in column A, it is given it, and in column B, it is given laps up the milk. Okay, laps up the milk. Now again what we have to do? We have to join the pairs. Okay, so the kitten will be matched to laps up the milk. It will join to laps up the milk. Okay, you are supposed to write like this. The kitten laps up the milk. Okay, first letter T capital, and after writing the sentence, full stop. Then next is it rains very heavily. It rains very heavily. I capital, and after writing the sentence, again full stop. Okay, so like this you have to join the pairs from column A to column B. Okay, so here we have finished with our sub-question C. Okay, we have finished with our sub-question C. Now we are supposed to do sub-question D. Okay, sub-question D. I will read the question. Fill in the blanks using the following words. What is given there? We have to fill in the blanks using the following words. Again you can see here also words are given. Above the picture you can see words are given. We will read the words first. Okay. 2 trees, garden, clean, slide, children, 1. Okay, we will repeat the words again. 2 trees, garden, clean, slide, children, and 1. Okay, we will choose these words and we will complete the fill in the blanks which is given below. Okay, see here below the picture you can see there are 6 sentences given, but here I have shown you only 3 sentences first. Okay, here in your book you can see below the picture they have given 6 sentences. Okay, but here I have shown you first 3 sentences which we will do, and then we will go to the next 3 sentences. Okay, now the first one. This is the picture of our school. Yes. Now tell me what you will choose from the box. Yes, this is the picture of our school garden. Okay, so the answer will be this is the picture of our school garden. This is the picture of our school garden. Okay, now the next one. It has dash swings. It has dash swings. Okay, again I will show you the picture. How many swings are there, children? Yes, 2. Okay, so we will select 2. And here we will write it has, answer will be it has 2 swings. It has 2 swings. Okay, now again we will go back to the picture. Okay, now here we have finished with garden and 2. Okay, we have finished with garden and 2. Okay, now first we will read the sentence. There is one dash and dash merry-go-round. There is one dash and dash merry-go-round. So again I'll show you the picture now. So here it is. There is 1 minute. There is one. How many slides are there? One slide. One slide and one merry-go-round. Okay, there is one slide and one merry-go-round, isn't it? So what you are going to write there? First, yes. Now the third one. There is one slide and one merry-go-round. Okay, so here we have finished our first 3 sentences. Okay, this is a picture of our school garden. The second one, it has 2 swings. It has 2 swings. Third one, there is one slide and one merry-go-round. Okay, children. Now again here I have shown you the options and the picture. Okay, I have shown you the option and the picture. So already we have done with 2 garden, slide and 1, isn't it? We have done with 2 garden, slide and 1. Okay, now what is remaining there? Trees is remaining, clean and children. Okay, trees, clean and children is remaining now. Now let us see the sentence. Fourth one. 6 dash are playing in the garden. 6 dash are playing in the garden. So what will be the answer? We will go back now. Now come on. Who will select and tell me? Yes, very good. Now the answer is children. Okay. See here. 6 children are playing in the garden. Okay. 6 children are playing in the garden. Okay. Now fifth one. There are many dash. There are many dash. Okay. Now we will go back again. Sorry. We will go back to our picture. Okay. Now we have done with 2 garden, slide, children and 1. So what is remaining now? Trees and clean. So there are many trees. Yes. Now the answer is trees. Okay. There are many trees. Fifth one is trees. Okay. Now what is left over there? Already we had done with 2 garden, clean. Sorry. Okay. One minute. I'll just show you. 2 trees, garden, slide, children and 1. We have already done with all these words. Now what is remaining over there? Clean. Yes. So the answer is our school garden is always clean. Okay. Our school garden is always clean. And the last answer is clean. So here we are finished with our sub question D. Okay children. I hope you all have written all the answers. Okay. Take care. Be at home. Okay. Thank you children.